Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, YouTube videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click that bell to be notified whenever I make a video. So guys, as you see from the title or the thumbnail, this is gonna be my bag slash purse haul. So I just wanted to show you guys all the bags and purses I have. It's a little haul kind of thing. So yes, I wanted to do that. So without further ado, let us get into the video.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna start off with my knapsacks and then move down to my large handbags and then move down to my small handbags and then move on to my purses. All right, so the biggest well, I have two of them, so I can't say the biggest, but one of the biggest bags that I have is this one. This is my school bag. This is what I carry to school, so let me, this is what I carry to school. So this is my work bag. So this is kind of like my handbag at school. So it's knapsack. I showed this when I just got it, but I have new subscribers, but yes, I showed it when I just got it. I got it from Amazon, so I bought it off of Amazon. So it has three sections, one at the front, and one at the front kind of have these little parts in it and all of that. So it has that. Then the next section has it has two of this thing in it, so yeah, and then it has something in there. That's why it feels like it's heavy for me right now, very heavy. And then in the big part, it comes with like the little back part that you can put in your laptop, and it came with a little charging thing here. If I can find the link, I will link it down below, but not sure if I can because I got this about 2 years ago or a year ago. I don't remember, so I might not be able to find the link, but yes, that's my school bag. Then the next size to that would be my other bag that I pretty much carry everywhere. Right now I'm carrying it to school, that's why it's so packed. So this is what I have right now because it's test time, so I don't need all the documents in my bag. So I carry this small one. All right, so this one I got from my sister. She bought this one for me a long time ago, like long time ago. So anyways, it has 3 zippers. So it has this front one, then it has a small one at the back, and then it has the big part. And in the big part you have like a section here, you have this little zipper, and then you have the little front part right there. So yeah, and it holds quite a bit. As you can see, I have quite a lot of stuff in here, pretty much. So it holds quite a bit, and it's the more you have in it, the more it holds the shape. As you can see, it keeps its shape. So yes, that's my second knapsack. Now my third knapsack was also given to me by my sister, and it's this yellow one. So this yellow knapsack, it kind of got messed up some time ago. I don't know what happened, but if you can see, there are some spots on it. But yes, she got this for me. I'm not sure if it was Christmas or was for my birthday, but one of them. So yes, there's just one thing I hate about this bag. The zip is so hard to open sometimes, but yeah, it just has one section. It's so cute, and I love yellow. If you did not know, I love yellow, so I love this bag. Now we move on to our next section. This section is my large handbag, and I think I only have one large handbag. I mean, I have them one. I'm not a handbag person, so yeah. So I got this as a gift from one of my church sisters. So it's, what kind of color this? Mustardish. Yeah, it's mustard. Let me fix something on it. So this is it. It's mustard. I love the bottom detail. I love the detail down here. It is so cute. So yes, this is what the bag looks like. And it came with this little purse on it, so I didn't put it on, it came with it. So yes, all right, so it has 2 zippers, one at the back you know, and the one that enters the bag itself. And the bag has a zipper at the back here, and then it has, you know, this. So yeah, so I almost forgot my little handbag, my little knapsack. So my sister bought this for me for my birthday 1 year, and when she ordered it from Shein. She thought it would be a bigger bag, so it ended up being a little tiny thing. So I bring this with me like to dinner, or you know, just to like dress it down. This is like one of the times I wear it. So just to dress it up, down, just up, like, you know. It was so cute though. It is really cute, and I love the details on it. So you guys can see the lovely details, right? Yeah. So it comes with this strap. So it is a knapsack. It is worn on the back, but you can remove them. So it has the little hook thingy here that you can just simply remove it and pull it out of the thing. So it can just be worn as a handbag. But I like knapsacks, so I keep it on it and carry it. And if I want to wear it as a knapsack, then I just wear it as a knapsack. Small purses, I'm gonna start with this black one. So I have this black purse, and most of these I just wear to church because I'm not really a purse person. So like when I'm going out, unless I'm going to like a dinner, then I'll wear these. But yes, this is a black purse, and I love the detail that's at the front. Yes, so opens up to just one little section. This is a simple kind of bag, and it comes with a little thing here, so you can just slip it onto your hand, or you can just, you know, hold it like that. So yes, that's the first one. Then the next black one I have, this was given, I'm not sure where I got that one from, but yeah, this one I know my sister gave to me. So yes, this one is, it has a little, what do you call the material there? It's fluffy though. It's soft, and as you can see through the I hope you can see the fabric that I'm talking about. If you know the fabric, let me know down below because I have no idea. Alright, so yes, it's one of those bags, comes with a little string like that. It also has this on it, so if you don't want to bring it by here, you know, you can just bring it this way. So yes, and it has a mustard star, as you guys can see. And the inside is brown, just, you know, small. So it doesn't have that much space, but it holds stuff. So yeah. And then the other black bag I have, or go-to going out bag, this is also from Shein. It's a Shein bag that my sister also gave to me, and it came with a belt. I got it for my birthday 1 year. Came with a belt, but I never wore it with a belt. I know the belt mash up. I always wear the belt by itself. But yes, because I always wear it like this, you know. Yeah, it was a waist bag, or it can be a waist bag, but I bring it as a handbag because it's just cute for the occasions that I can bring in. So it has a little section, and then it has a big section, and all of that. So as you can see, it has the Shein logo in it, you know. Yeah, so that's that. Then I have this bag, and I love this bag, but I hardly wear it because I don't really have anything to match it with. I don't have any color like this, but I need to like wear it with like probably black or white, because I can hardly find anything that matches this shade. So this is a cute little handbag. It has the strap inside of it. So this is the strap for it. It's so cute, and my father gave this to me, I think, for a Christmas. Yes, he gave this to me one Christmas. So yes, so this is what the inside looks like. It's a cute little purse, but as I said, I hardly wear it because I don't have anything to match it. So I need to probably find outfits that I can match my purses with, so I can wear them more often, you know. So yes, I love this. It's so cute. I love it, and I love the details on it. It's just, you know. All right, and then this one, the strap is not that small here. I'm so sure the strap look. It's a Victoria's Secret. I don't know when they knock off Victoria's Secret purse, and it's just a little envelope purse, and the strap is very long. It's just me did put it in, but yeah. It's quite small on the inside, so it's not to carry a lot of things like your phone, one rag, little money, little cash, you know. That's it. It's just a little event purse. It's not nothing too extravagant and all of that. So yeah. And the last purse, yes, the last purse that I have is this purse. It is so cute. So for this purse, my sister and my mother also have one. My sister and I have the exact same. Then my mom kind of has a different feel to it. So it's like, it's a book bag. What do you call it? It's kind of like a book. So they made it to be like a book, but it's a purse, you know. So yes, we're going to move on to my, they call them the waist bags, are a bag you put around your waist. Yeah, I have 4 of them, so we're gonna go through those quickly. So I have this one, and this is like, I wore this, I found a very good use for this one year. You see, I wore this under, like I put it around my waist and I lift up the blouse and put the blouse over it, and I carried my phone in it one Christmas because I didn't have a pocket, and I'm like, if I put it in my bag walking through Grand Market with that in my bag, somebody might just snatch that. So I'm like, if it's in here, then nobody not really necessary, because when you look at me, you're not gonna know say it did it, because it's flat. As you can see, it's just like flat fabric, you know. So it's flat, so nobody necessarily know that it's around your waist. So it was a smart idea. So I got this one is from my sister, because she has this pink blouse, but I have the yellow. So I have that, and I also have the yellow. So the yellow is from mine. One is, you know, a lot of the bag here, people. I have this before them actually come in a style. A long time I have the bag here. So this is a black. This is the only black one I have. Yeah, I normally ride this like wally. I know nowadays I stop wearing this so often, but yes, this is it. And our brand is American Tourister brand. I don't know, say a long time so, because I don't even know about the brand there. Anyways, and then the last one I got is this one, and this one I also got from my sister. Oh, you know, my sister giving too much things. Like, you need to start giving things. All right, so this, and it's kind of, I think I got this one the same time I got the black handbag. This one, she gave me both of them one time. So yes, this is what it looks like, and I love how fluffy it is. My only issue with this bag, it can't hold it, but it's so cute. So as you see, you know, it can't hold a lot, but it holds your phone and all of that. So I love it. And these weren't bought online, these were bought like roadside, you know, a store. I think this she bought like in Maypen, but it's long time, so before COVID. That picture is before COVID. So before COVID time, you know. So I don't you'll be able to find back the exact same bag, or you can probably try to find like one close to it. Now for my cosmetic bags, and then we'll move on to the purses. So my first cosmetic bag is this one. This I bought in Linstead, and my sister bought one, and we bought one for mom. It was just one of those bags that was needed for like when we were going on like vacation. It holds a lot. Right now it still has, I keep my vacation stuff in it, so like when I'm going on vacation I don't need to actually find all the things. So I'm going to show you what's in there in a bit, but yes, this is it. It comes with this other thing, you know. It has your little, it has the lipstick and lip on it. I don't know what that word says, but anyways, I'm gonna open it and show you how it looks. So inside, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it has a mirror and all of that in it. So, and it comes with that little part there. There's something that broke off right though, but yeah, I keep my everything that I go on vacation with. So my soap dish that I'm going to need on vacation, my rag, and if you can see, you know, all of the little things I have are these cosmetic bags, and like I use these either at school or on vacation. Like these I will carry like this, like, you know, I can slip in a 2 sanitary napkins in this and bring it with you easy. It's flat, so it doesn't take up that much space, so I use that. This I usually bring to school, but I don't anymore because it lost its shape. so I'm not necessarily going to show you guys that. But it was a pencil case, but I used it for a sanitary bag. Yeah. All right, next one. This is also like a sanitary bag that I bring like on vacation and stuff like that. It can hold like makeup as well, and it's just this pretty mermaid scaled bag, you know. Yeah. Then we have my makeup bag. This is what I always carry my makeup in when I'm going like on vacation and stuff. But it can mash up when you can look at that. I've had this bag for so long, but yes, this is what it looks like. And on the inside, well, I start carrying this in it because it's white on the inside, people. And when this dirty, it's hard to wash, and makeup always a spill in there. So what I do is to bring this and I put the makeup in this tight and then put it in the bag. So yeah, that's what I do. But yes, this is what the bag looks like, and that's my makeup bag. All right, and then the next one, although this says makeup, I don't carry makeup in this because this is a plastic bag, right? It's plastic, so I can take you can put wet things in there and it no wet up my bag and it no spoil the bag, you know. So what I do is to bring like my rag, my soap in this, and this is what I would like carry to the restroom when I'm showering. So if this get wet, you know, it not gonna really do nothing because of plastic. So I love this bag. So I don't use it for makeup, but I use it for my wet stuff. So like wet rag, my soap that's gonna get wet, and body wash, them something there, you know. Yeah. All right, so the next things I got these sets from one of my friends, one of my cam friends. Yeah, she gave these to me for my birthday one year. So it came with a pack. I think it was 4. No, there's one missing, so it's 5. It was 5. I don't know where the other one is right now. I think it's in one of my bags. So yes, so this is one of the bags. It's the small they're all mustard and what do you call that color? Tiger print. Yeah, so this is one of them. This can be hooked onto your bag, so it's like a purse that can be hooked onto your bag. Then the next one I have is this one, mustard and the leopard print. As you can see, this can also be hooked onto your bag. Most of them can be hooked onto the bags. Yeah. Then I'm gonna show that one last. This big one can be brought as a purse, which I do carry as a purse, you know, and it can also be used as like sanitary bag, but I don't. I carry it more like a purse, like, you know. So that's what the inside looks like. Yeah. Cute little purse. And I love the fact that it has this little extra thing on it. And then this is the part I love. I love this one. It has my name on it. So this is the one that was printed with my name on it. So it says Shake, and it can also be hooked to a bag, but you would have to find a hook for it. But it comes with the ring. So your purses, and I'm not going to be showing you those other purses. Like, I have a purse in my bag. I'm not showing that. There's one in my bag, but right now I'm not have the time to go feed. So anyways, I have this mustard purse, and I'm in love with the small purses. So this is what this part looks like. I don't necessarily like this part of it because like I don't know where this makes sense, but I like the purse overall. And then it has this front part. Yeah. And then we got this black purse, which I bought from Shein. And it's so small and so cute. And as I said, me just in a this small purse kind of vibe from the other day. So yes, this is what it looks like. I put one keyring funny, so it's makes it cuter. But it came with the tassel and the heart, but I put the other one on it. It came with the tassel and the heart on it. See? Yeah. And see, that's look like cute. And then this last purse I got for my birthday. I love it so much. Oh gosh, look at that. It's a puppet purse and it's in the shape of a heart. So yes, I've used this purse once. Oh Jesus, I still have money in there. So yes, I've used this purse once. I placed it on my bag. It was so cute. I loved it. So yes, I love this purse. Alright, so that is all my purses and bags. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Comment down below which one was your favorite. You know, which one was your favorite. So yes, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.